The Gibson McCook Relays will make a return tomorrow after a 2-year break due to COVID-19 and will return with a different look from previous years as it will be held in a 4.5-hour window. The meet is set to run from 1 p.m. to 5:30 and Ryan Peralta, who is in charge of entries, is expecting high-quality performances.
Our entries have been going well considering our conditions with the pandemic and the guidelines. And we are expecting a total of 860 athletes, and with that they'll have about 140 or so coaches. So far, we've had good representation from a number of the teams, the club teams, and of course the usual schools,
Edinallen's girls coach Michael Dyke says his team is ready to use the Gibson McCook Relays as a measuring stick for the ISA Boys and Girls Championships, which is about 5 weeks away.
Well, our main plan is charms, but Gibson Relay is always coming between, which is a sort of curtain raiser for charms. And I am going there expecting to do the best at this time that is possible, based on the where we are in our preparation. Yeah. Gibson Relays is not really the main focus. It's always charms, but it gives a good indication of, where you are and what to come leading up into the championship.
Kingston College are also eager to put their boys' champs credentials on the line as they look to overcome defending champions Jamaica College.
Preparation has been good. I am happy for the boys who are going to compete. Things are getting back to normal. So this is really for the boys to compete and enjoy Gibson Relays.
Well, Gibson Relays, we all know it's a big meet, but it's just another trap meet for us. It's just a qualification meet for the athletes, nothing too major.
Meanwhile, Calabar High, who underwent light training under the watchful eyes of Coach Omar Hawes, they intend to make a statement even in their rebuilding phase.
Well, that's been going good. We are actually putting together a team for the Gibson Relays. Button pass as usual. Trying to not have any mishaps and have a good day tomorrow. So it's going good so far. Well, from going to the champs, we normally use Gibson as a gauge. And I guess whatever we see tomorrow, we can just improve on it.